Hello. Today, I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you to Tozo HT3 Hybrid Noise Cancelling Headphones. 90 age of playtime, these are 90 hours, are possible. This is a wireless over-ear Bluetooth headset with USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and it supports up to 480 megabits per second. The headphones features 4 noise-canceling microphones that automatically detect surrounding noise, like subways, airplanes, or office, and instantly restore quiet with a single button press. A dedicated car microphone ensures a crystal clear voice calls, so the other party hears us loud and clearly. 1. The charge delivers 90 hours of continuous music playback. If you run out of power, no worry. Just 10 minutes of charging gives us another 9 hours of listening. Perfect for business trips, travel, work, study, gaming, and MIDI consumption. And gaming without lag. We have low latency mode if we need that. We connect both phones and the computer simultaneously to never miss a message. That means 1-2 connection. We enjoy music like we are in a cinema. Spatial audio, automatic noise filtering during calls, AI noise reduction, and independent left and right audio adjustment to suit our listening preferences. And 15-watt high efficiency charging. This stable output quickly recharges mobile phones, tablets, and other devices. Faster charging, lower heat generation. Safe and efficient. 480 megapixels per second. Data transfer are possible. Easy transfer photos, videos, and documents. File transfer without lag, saving time for work and backup too. And this is all possible with the included cables. Equipped with adjustable silicon cable ties to easily secure the cable lengths, we say goodbye to messy tangles and enjoy a cleaner and more convenient travel experience. The 1 meter length is suitable for various scenarios such as desktop charging, bedside use, and car connections. So here we are with this cool headphone. This features noise cancelling, crystal clear sound, dual dynamic drivers, smart environment, adaptive noise cancellation, 90 hours of ultra-long battery life, and multi-mode connectivity, seamless switching possible, 6 exclusive technologies, gaming without the lag, and comfortable fit, customizable style, because the headphones fold and stretch, fitting in easily into our bag without taking up a lot of space, for example. The soft ear cushion won't press on our ears even after wearing them all day long. The ear pads are removable and replaceable, so we don't have to worry about them getting dirty. Comfortable wear, customized style, baby. And this possibility that you can use an app control with that device is really cool. That means you download the app out of the App Store, out of the Google Play Store, for example, and then the Tozo app, Tozo, Tozo app. Then of course you can start by pairing the headphones, of course, standard way over a Bluetooth connection, no prob. Otherwise, you can make the Tozo app connection. And if you use the Tozo app, of course, you have so much equalizer, ANC options, or scenes. Then you can make an adjustable or headphone as you like, or if you have an account on the Tozo network, you can also listen to ASMR video sound like the ocean wave and something else, and you see the power consumption of the device, and of course you can control a lot of stuff by using the app. So this is up to you what you like to prepare, the app control or the Bluetooth control, or maybe pair it with 2 devices at the same time. That's all and more brings us to Tozo HT3 Hybrid Noise Cancelling Headphones. Really cool. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and Give me a positive feedback, and of course, I hope to see you again on my channel. And hey, wait a little bit. And really cool is find the headphones option in the app. That's really cool. Get this. If you lost your headphones, you can get it back by a sound information. This we have to hear again. Isn't that? Yeah. Let's make a playback here. Soon.